They say money can't buy happiness, not lie. There is nothing in the world that money cannot buy. The big house, the clothes, the girls, the bands, expensive party with important friends. Not money, not money.
Guys, welcome to my channel. It's your baby girl Evie. So guys, today is Sunday. Happy Sunday. I was meant to go to church, but I don't wake up early, so I did not dress early. Yeah, so I decided to stay at home. But I've done my makeup, you understand. I've glammed up for church. But I'm gonna go next week and I'll go early. I need to go serve my God with my full heart. So guys, today's video,
I want to live like a billionaire.
today we're going to be talking about this cream, this Beauty Fair body care cream. Yeah, guys.
Guys, sorry about the noise in the background.
I just love this cream because it nourishes the body. Like, how am I going to say it now? If you have dry, scaly skin, yeah. So, or the ones that have green veins and the rest. So, what you have to do, you need to get this cream. Then you need to start using it. This cream has so many. Is it collagen? That's anti-aging. At the same time, adds moisture to your body. That's the guys. This skin, you see, they even wrote it here. It's Beauty Fair Special Dry Skin, like folks, dry skin. Then age renewer formula. Yes. So why I like this cream? Like to lighten, like it's more like, okay, is it tune you? Yeah, that should be the word I'm going to use. It's going to tune you. At the same time, like if you have dried skin, dried hands and the rest, you can use this cream to add moisture. Like when you add moisture to your skin, so from there the skin will not be dry, it's not be showing those green veins and the rest. So this cream is very handy and everything. So the really nice, and I recommend it for any person. If that person can use it, if a person can use it, doesn't bleach or anything, just tunes, like maintain, that glow. You see some people now, they are not fair. Like, I don't know how to speak the English. They have this glow. It gives you that glow. Gives you that glow. The cream is really nice, guys. It also helps for dark knuckles. It helps to blend it in and lighten it uniformly. Guys, these are some of the things I got today. These lashes. Okay. I got two. This is what I fixed. I'm still trying to comb these other edges. Yeah. Got two. Then I got this eyeshadow. I don't know the brand. What is it? I don't know how to pronounce it. Let me open it and show you guys. See the back.
I heard what you said.
Cover.
I'm spending cash like I really don't care. Life is sweet when you realize.
This is the inside. I think, how many colors is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whatever. So, guys, I got two. They didn't even state it. But I'm thinking like 35, like this one now. Say 35 pressed pigments, is it palettes or whatever. Okay, this is the front cover.
Just drag that out like that. No manner. No manner.
Hope this movie is not entering my video. So guys, this is out the inside, sorry. My lashes.
I'm so sorry.
I need to get glue. I could not get glue today. The glue is not that strong. I kind of like this one because it's pink. It's all girly and everything. So I decided to go for two. I don't know which one to pick. So I decided to go for two, guys.
I see.
So
I'm very sorry we do not have the luxury.
So guys, this is bronzer. I also got this bronzer. Yeah. Let me show you guys the inside.
This is for the stress. Hey!
Yeah.
My friend!
Then concealer. Got concealer too. So guys, those are the things I got. Yeah. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment. I want to know what you guys think about this video. Then guys, please watch my next video. It's going to be helpful. Yeah, all my videos are always helpful, guys. Please watch all of them. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.